The family of the boy killed in an accident at Adventureland is suing the park's former owner and high-level employees.
It was almost a year ago today, July 3rd, that the Jaramillo family lost their son Michael at the Raging River ride here at Adventureland in Altoona. The family and the family attorney call it an avoidable tragedy that should have never happened. Again, July 3rd, the family gets on the Raging River ride here at Altoona at Adventureland. They say it immediately started filling with water. The lawsuit alleges non-manufacturer parts caused the raft to hit the bottom and flip over with the family buckled inside. 11-year-old Michael died. His 15-year-old brother, severely hurt, put into a medically induced coma. The boys were pulled out of the water, according to the lawsuit, by a woman on a nearby raft and the workers setting up a fireworks display here in the park. It's that display, along with a locked gate, that also blocked first responders from getting to the family, the lawsuit states, once they were called to the scene. A year later, the Jaramillo family says it could have happened to anyone that day.
He belonged to God first, so he just went back to where he came from.
It's just item after item after item. I refer to it as a cascading set of failures that led up to this.
Meantime, Guy Cook, the attorney for Adventureland of America Incorporated, and the Krantz family, the former owners of Adventureland, since been sold to a global company. That statement from Guy Cook says the assertions of lawsuits will be specifically addressed in future court filings. For nearly 40 years, each Adventureland ride, including the Raging River ride, have undergone detailed annual safety inspections by the state of Iowa and rigorous daily inspection by park maintenance and ride operators. Sadly, he says the tragic incident of July 3rd, 2021 was the result of a number of extraordinarily unusual factors coming together. Safety is and always has been the #1 priority here at Adventureland. Again, that's the defense attorney, Guy Cook, for the Krantz family and Adventurelands of America Incorporated, the former owners of Adventureland here in Altoona.
Obviously, this is something that should have never happened. I can guarantee you that this family, they're going to win this case. The question is going to be, what number? In California, this would be a pretty substantial number. In order to have a kid die on a ride like this in California, the company had to make some tremendous amount of mistakes. You don't just get to say, oh, it was just an accident, it's not our fault. I mean, this is what you're holding out to the public, and there's an expectation that you're not going to die on a ride. There's no risk of death. If I was advising the amusement company, amusement park, I would tell them, you write a 7-figure check and make this go away. That they should never let this thing go in front of a jury, which is basically the latest update, that they're going to move it to a different court to get hopefully a more fair jury. But I don't care what jury it goes in front of, nobody's going to like this case and they're going to punish them. May have been a freakish accident, but it's still the fault of the amusement park. It's certainly not the kid's fault. And hopefully it will never happen again. Terrible outcome for the family, but again, the most they can hope for is that it won't happen to somebody else's kid. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.